10th students, we will learn about months' names. B part. There are dash days in a year. Answer is 365. C part. There are dash months in a year. Answer is 12. D part. Dash comes before May. Answer is April. E part. October comes between dash and dash. Answer is September and November. September. Answers are completed.